Are you going shopping for a new vacuum cleaner? So, you need to know about the best vacuum cleaners. Today we will show you the best 5 vacuum cleaners.
Number 5.
Dyson. Dyson V15 detects vacuum multicolor. Laser reveals microscopic dust, the most powerful, intelligent cordless vacuum.
Number 4.
Kenmore. This Kenmore vacuum lightweight, versatile carpet and bare floor cleaner, with 2 speed settings, which makes removing pet hair, cleaning up messes, and eliminating dirt and dust quick and easy.
Number 3.
Samsung vacuum cleaner. Contemporary and premium design, innovative features with our most premium finishes and colors. For a vacuum so stunning you'll want to show it off.
Number 2.
Dyson vacuum cleaner. For easy home cleaning, instant release trigger means battery power is only used while it's cleaning. Requires charging for 4 hours minimum before first use.
Number 1.
Ion SE vacuum cleaner. Design and compact wall hanging design. Effectively save space and improve life comfort. This cordless vacuum will be an excellent gift for your family or friends. No worry about after sales, we offer 12-month 100% satisfactory after sales service.